आज ग्राम सभा डिसिजन पयलीं सद्या हांवें 3 क्वेश्चन घायल्ले. एक घायलोलें आमचें जे हायकोर्टा पंचायतान प्रिवियस पंचायतान जे रीट पेटिशन घायल्लें ऑनरेबल हायकोर्ट गोवा तें भायर पडलां. सो हांवें विचारलें तें कडेन तुमी जे सुप्रीम कोर्टान वयतले काय म्हूण. सो सरपंचान ग्राम सभा घायला मेंबरां कडेन तुमी डिसायड करूया म्हूण, कित्याक पंचायत कॅनॉट डिफॉल्ट. सो ग्राम सभान सांगिल्लो मेंबरांनी कितले पयशे लागतले आमकां पयलीं कळपाक जाय, नाजाल्यार आमकां जायना.
People were kept in the dark in certain areas. Today the question came up regarding the petition that was dismissed for X number of reasons by the Honorable High Court. If the commitment of the people of the Gram Sabha is there, funds can be arranged. We can do crowdfunding. We can do so many other ways we can fund this.
Regarding the going to the Supreme Court, there are 2 more petitions which are pending, and I feel after that is decided, the body has decided to go to the Supreme Court.